In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use milestone charts in ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. Click Login or choose Sign in with Google if that's your usual method. Select your account, and once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard, which is the central hub for all your work. Next, make sure you're working in the right place. In the left sidebar, click into the space and then the list where you want to track your project milestones. Think of a list as the container that holds related tasks and milestones. Confirm you're in the correct list so your team can easily find and use what you create. Now, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots menu. From the dropdown, choose Templates. This opens up ClickUp's library of reusable setups, including purpose-built milestone options that save time and keep your process consistent. Click Browse Templates. In the search bar, type milestone. From the results, select the milestone chart or the milestone template. These are designed specifically to highlight key dates and achievements across your project, giving you a clear, time-based view of progress. Click Use Template. When prompted, give it a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what it covers, like Q2 marketing milestones or product launch milestones. Click Use Template again to apply it to your workspace. ClickUp will create the structure for you so you don't have to build it from scratch. Once the template is added, open the milestone view that appears. You should see a visual chart of your project's key dates alongside a clean timeline to understand how everything lines up. This is where your high-level tracking lives. Tailor it to your project. Create or rename milestones to match your roadmap. For example, alpha launch, beta testing, and official release. Assign dates to each one so dependencies and pacing are clear. Add brief descriptions or notes to capture what success looks like and any context your team needs. If it helps, adjust the layout or switch views for better readability, and link milestones to relevant tasks or projects so updates flow naturally from day-to-day work. As your project moves forward, come back to this view regularly. Update milestone statuses as you hit key dates, and use the chart in meetings or status reports to show progress at a glance. This approach clarifies deadlines, keeps the team aligned, and visually celebrates major achievements, and that's it. By setting up and customizing a milestone chart in ClickUp, you'll track what matters most, stay ahead of deadlines, and make your project timeline easy for everyone to understand.